Hi everyone. So as promised, I'm back with the first video of automation where I will help you understand how you can capture leads from your website. Now, although there are many tools available in the market, you can use it, but if you are willing to understand the automation, the AI automation and everything, this is the first and foremost fundamental step. And being an SME owner, you might be having some customized requirement. Now, on my screen, you can see the Notion link page. I create all the documentation on this platform. I love this platform. So I will be adding the link of this platform as well, along with the video below. And in this automation video, we will be covering the first 4 steps that you can see. Connect the website form to Google Sheets, send an automatic thank you email to the lead, save all the new lead to CRM sheet, and then get WhatsApp, Slack, or even Telegram if you want. Telegram notification. Let me add it here. I'm sorry for this spelling. Notification on the new lead captured. Okay, so these are the 4 steps that we are going to execute in the first step here. Now, my request to all of you watching this video is to get a Zapier account, preferably a paid version, because we will be adding multiple steps, and in the free version only 2 steps are allowed. So you cannot work on Zapier unless and until you have purchased it for a month or 2. I have purchased it for 1 month because ultimately I'll be moving my automation tasks on another platform known as Make. So this is what Zapier platform look like, and you can buy it for about $19 to $20. The price today, the day you are watching the video, it could be much more or much less. I don't know what offers they are going through. So today I purchased it for $20, including taxes, and here I'm getting a lot of features. Well, you can check more on their website. It is very detailed. They have also given many other information, some defined automation that people use. So yeah, this is a Zapier platform that we are going to use. We are going to link various platforms so that they can interact with each other, they can talk to each other. And coming back to the Notion page, yeah. So let me show you the automation that I have created. Now, just to let you know, this is very fundamental for you to give a conceptual understanding. Now, of course, there are different types of forms embedded on the websites. Depending upon the type of website builder you are using, the CMS platform that you are using. I am using WordPress, so I could have used VP forms or simple forms. But to make it easier, make it little understandable for you, reduce the number of steps, for this particular video I have embedded Google Forms. Okay, so in case if you don't want to make it complicated, make it hassle free, you can embed Google Forms in your video. So okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is a test page. This is automation testing, as you can see on the URL. Just for testing, I have created this page, and if you want, I can share the link for this as well. You can also extract the URL from here, and just added basic information for you to get a clear picture of what I'm trying to do here. So adding the email, full name. Okay, there is one more time email we could have just added once, so I might correct it later. Then the phone number and the query. Okay, now what is going to happen is, when someone fills this form, a WhatsApp notification on my mobile phone comes up saying that, hey Ayushi, you just received a lead. If, for example, if I think that there is a possibility of instant conversion of lead, I might get in touch with them one-to-one. But the best part is I don't have to go to the Google form and keep on checking if there is new update or new form filled, because of course Google Forms are linked with Google Sheets, but we don't get notification or anywhere, which is where it is handy, right? So so WhatsApp notification is very convenient. You can also add Telegram, or you can also add Slack if you are using the platform. I have added WhatsApp notification because I wanted to show you how things are going, and in the real life also I prefer WhatsApp notifications. Then we are regularly running email campaigns. So I have added MailChimp here to get those leads saved in my MailChimp account. So in the near future, if my marketing team is sharing some information, newsletters, they are already there, they're added there. Then here I have added Google Sheets, which is linked to the form. Okay, I'm considering it as a CRM because I don't want to complicate it again. I just want, if in case I want to check out my contacts, my leads at one place, I will prefer Google Sheets. And then of course there is Zoho email, which is sending thank you emails to the new lead. Okay, so I'm sure many of you will say that this is not required. Well, of course it is not required. This is just to showcase that if you want to save your lead in a CRM, you can do that pretty easily. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, I'll do some testing, but if in case you want to go through, you can see what I have added, what information I have added here. So here is the setup. My account is linked with my personal Gmail for testing purpose. Now there's a configuration and then testing. Testing has been done already. So this platform is pretty simple, understandable. If you start doing it, it will guide you through. If you have issues, you can check Zapier user manuals, websites, or small tutorials that can help you. But here we will just test it and see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going back to the website page and typing in my information. So for example, if I type Ayushi 25, or maybe let me type something then I'm typing my name as Stranior testing, and then there is an error. We can of course remove multiple times email address coming up, but for now, just to test the flow, I'm adding it. Just adding a sample phone number like 65800000900. Okay, I'm not sure it's correct, it even exists, but okay, right now it's fine. Of course you can in the Gmail itself you can type in the constraints, the phone number constraints, but in this the purpose is just to make you understand the flow. Okay, now your query is, I want to understand the automation workflow. Okay, and here we are. Now I have clicked on submit, and now let's see what happens. I'm sorry, you can see the editing mode, but it doesn't matter because I have opened the preview version of it. So okay, so just to let you know, the automation has been sent, the testing automation form has been sent, and I guess Okay, I guess Zapier is active. Just to let you know, the status should be on. All right, if I missed telling you, you should make sure that it is on, otherwise it is not working in the back end. Okay, just to show you here, I just got this alert on my WhatsApp saying work alert, new lead received, the number, website, Google form submission. I want to understand automation workflow. So while you're having dinner or you are sitting with friends, you can just check it, right? It's that simple. Okay, now let's see if I got an email. Perfect. So email 0 minutes ago, you can see on my screen, and of course we can format it accordingly. We can even embed HTML in the email body of Zapier so that it is more fancy, it is more convenient. So yeah, it's working just perfectly. Now let's check if this got saved in the Google form, and if so, how it looks. Yeah, here you go. Now this is not an automation, because for every Google form it is connected with the Google Sheet. You can connect it instantly, so this doesn't count. This is not an automation, but just to showcase the workflow, we have created it. Now instead of Google Forms, you can use, again, just to let you know, instead of Google Forms you can use other forms, but in that scenario you need to integrate API and connect Zapier with that particular form. Okay, so it is crucial here. Since this is a first automation video, I wanted to make it as simple as possible. I hope this is pretty clear to you. I will be sharing what we do for Strenure, our company, shortly, so that you can understand. This was just for educational purpose. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.